Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. Look at this tile. It looks like, see, this is rough, natural stone floor, and sometimes the top of it can scrape up in different areas. And that's what's happened here. I'm just getting ready to seal this floor. How can I fix that? Well, I'm going to show you here real quick. I just have some dirt. I got some dirt outside. I've got a wet paper towel. Let's just see what happens here. Okay. Just going to put some on here and try to blend it in. Look at that. Get a little bit more color in here. This tile is just eating away the top surface of the tile. I can see it. A little bit more color. Let's see what happens here. I can dry it off. A little bit more right in there. Just dirt. Look at that. I think that's gonna do it. Wipe off a little bit more. Presto. That look better? Now when I seal that, it's gonna blend in. Yes. I'll sweep up the excess. Stand back, look at it, see if it needs some more. Let's put a little bit more right in there. Just a touch. Here's some more right there. That look better? Yeah. Dirt. It does wonders when you're blending in floors. Alright. You know what, I wasn't going to do it, but it's a little touch on this other tile right there. I'm not going to go wiggy and start doing the entire floor or anything. That's going to be good enough, I think. One more little spot right there. Okay, that'll have to do. So now I'm going to let that dirt just dry in there a little bit, and then once I apply the sealer, that's going to soak right over the top of the dirt, and it's going to seal those smudge marks right into the tile. Second coat will finish it off. Presto.